Whether you want to enhance your listening experience with the newest speakers and headphones, enhance your fitness with the latest watches and high-tech trainers, maximize your home entertainment experience, or explore the world, we have everything you need. Hello and welcome back to Tech Genius. In today's video, we will show you tech gadgets from Amazon, so keep on watching the video. Number 5. Apple AirPods Gen 2. The most apparent option for a new set of in-ear headphones for Apple enthusiasts is probably a pair of AirPods. The new Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation is the most recent and most fantastic selection if you're looking for them. Even though they are pricey, they provide Apple's finest active noise cancellation outside the exorbitantly expensive AirPods Max and increased battery life to 6 hours on a single charge. The new H2 chip is the most significant improvement in this. It helps with noise reduction and enables the headphones to adjust to songs in real time, providing rich bass and clear high notes. Number 4. Echelon Reflect Fitness Mirror. As your trainer walks you through each step, look at your reflection on the screen to ensure your form and technique are correct for the greatest results possible. This lovely wall decoration leaves no trace but offers a variety of inspiring training techniques. The Reflect will look fantastic in any upscale gym, hotel, residence, or business location. Our custom bracket attaches the Reflect flush against the wall. Thanks to the integrated camera, you can have live sessions with any of your preferred personal trainers from the comfort of your home. Thanks to the user-friendly, sweat-proof, and Wi-Fi-enabled touchscreen display, you'll feel completely involved in every lesson. Reflect provides tailored real-time statistics on your heart rate, calories burned, skills, objectives, and more. Challenge your past performance or compete against friends using accurate statistics each time. Number 3. Travel Ambo RFID Wallet. Your credit and identification cards are safe from remote readers with the help of a good RFID wallet, which adds an extra layer of security for the digital era. But thanks to the leather Travel Ambo wallet, you don't have to sacrifice fashion for functionality. This simple wallet has an RFID blocking lining and is constructed of genuine leather. It contains a compartment where you can store a few cash and 6 card slots, in addition to an ID window. Best of all, depending on the color you choose, there may be many, it will only cost you $10 to $15 from Amazon, making it a wise investment for security-conscious people. Number 2. Wyze Room Sensor. You can feel at ease throughout your home with the Wyze Room Sensor. It works with the Wyze thermostat to balance hot and cold zones in your house. Installing this item in high-traffic areas of your home will help the compatible thermostat maintain a comfortable temperature. This sensor maintains regular contact with the thermostat to keep your home at a comfortable temperature. For $24.99, you can purchase yours. Number 1. TileMate Item Finder 4-Pack Combo. The main disadvantage of such smart small gadgets is their propensity to disappear. TileMate item finders are ideal if you need assistance keeping track of the little things. The small 1.3 inch long and 0.2 inches thick TileMate keychain is perfect for carrying. You can employ the Tile Companion app to locate any object by simply attaching a tracker. You can still find items nearby without the app by remotely activating the tile's vibration, flash, or ring functions. This 4-pack of TileMate trackers from Amazon is available for around $60 with free shipping, compared to the average cost of a single tile of $22. With that, we've come to the end of the video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch our upcoming videos in the future. Thanks for watching.